This video will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows that are coming from the site Mavin.live. So, Mavin.live. This is a deceptive website that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers, in order to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, the site Mavin.live is totally faulty. You should not interact with it. Don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. What I recommend you to do is just disregard that page and leave it. And I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer with the reliable antivirus software. Of course, you could first of all visually research the control panel and uninstall any suspicious items if you find anything suspicious, but very often visually the computer is free of threats. However, inside there may be some other hidden threats. So consider Combo Cleaner that will help you to detect such threats and to remove them. Get Combo Cleaner on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.